Hello students, you are welcome to 10th English class. Here I am in front of you to teach you a new lesson, new poem called Grandma Climbs a Tree. This is the first poem in your textbook. This Grandma Climbs a Tree was written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond, no doubt, is a well-known Indian English writer. He wrote many English poems, English novels, English stories. Most of his stories, his writings are all surrounding around the hill station called Missouri. Missouri. This Grandma Climbs a Tree is one peculiar poem. You know, we are all intelligent animals. We in our life, in one stage or the other stage, develop some habits and desires. These habits and desires are no longer go out of our life until the end of last breath. It is such a poem this is. Even in old age also we do not like to give up from our life. One may be die for the sake of his habit or desire, but he won't like to give up his desire. So such a poem this is. Very beautiful poem. For examination point of also this is very good poem, very important poem. So come, let's get started the poem. My grandmother was a genius. You'd like to know why? Because she would climb the trees, spreading or high. She would be up their branches in a trace. And mind you, when she last climbed a tree, she was 62. Ever since childhood, she had this gift for being happier in a tree than in a lift. This poem is there to was. My mother was a genius. This was says all past tense. This poem was written by Ruskin Bond after the death of his grandmother, it seems. Her name is not mentioned here, only grandma, granny like that is there. My mother was a great genius. Genius, what is the meaning of genius? Talented. Genius means talented. My grandmother was a genius. Do you know why? No, the reason is why she was genius. She was genius because she would climb the trees. That's the talent here. She would climb the tree. What is specialty here? What is special? She was grandma. She was grandma. She was old lady. That's why. That's the thing. She would climb the trees, spreading or high. Spreading or high. Spreading. Spreading here means wider. Spreading means wider. Tree will be is wider, no? With bigger branches like this. And high. High means it may be huge, it may be tall, like that. Even though the tree was tall, or a tree was wider, she would climb the trees. That is her talent. That's why she was genius. One more quality is she would be up their branches. In a trace is a phrasal word. Word, not verb. Phrasal. It is a phrase. In a trace. In a trace means quickly. Quickly, quickly. Here, quickly we can also define easily. Easily. She would go faster. She would go no difficulty. She would feel no difficulty in climbing the trees. These are the qualities. These are her qualities. That's why poet says she was a genius. She would climb the trees whether the tree was wider or taller. She would climb the trees in a faster way without any difficulty. Mind you, mind means not, it is a verb, not noun meaning. Mind means that we say manasu, that is. Here mind means that, remember. Mind means remember. When she last climbed, a tree she was 62. When last she climbed a tree, she was 62. Means last time she climbed the tree, no? That time she was at the age of 62. She climbed the tree even at the age of 62. Ever since childhood she had this gift. Means she had this habit from her childhood. Poet says it was a gift of her life. For being happier in a tree than in a lift. Lift is there now, lift. You might have seen in many apartments or within a buildings, lift to go to one floor down from. That is the meaning lift here. So she was happier in tree than in the lift. Maybe she was climbing the trees faster than the lift, it seems. It says she was so natural. She was not artificial. She liked the nature. That all meaning we can understand here. And though as years went by, she would be told that climbing trees should stop when one grew old. And that growing old should be gone about gracefully. She would laugh and say, well, I will grow gracefully. I can do it better. And we had to agree. You know, if we are one man or woman is growing old means he should grow smoothly without any injuries. That is the meaning here, gracefully. Going opposite that means not so attractively, with injuries, with difficulty is called disgracefully. Yes. And though as years went by, she would be told that climbing trees should stop when one grew old. She started like climbing trees at the early age. As she was growing now, her well-wishers, her family members, her neighbors were all suggesting her, Grandma, you are growing old. It is better to stop the climbing trees. You are growing old means you should grow gracefully. Without any injuries, you should grow. Smoothly you should grow. That was the suggestion given by her well-wishers. She would laugh and say, for this, when they are suggesting to stop the trees and grow gracefully, for that she was saying, laughing. She was laughing and saying that, well, I will grow disgracefully. Gracefully, disgracefully. Gracefully, opposite to disgracefully. People are well-wishers suggesting to grow gracefully. But she wanted to grow gracefully, disgracefully. Gracefully means looking attractive. Looking attractive. For that opposite is disgracefully. But here we should not understand in this way. We should understand smoothly. One should grow smoothly without any injuries. That we have to understand it, that without any injuries. But opposite to that is disgraceful. She was adamant to her habit. She did not like to give up it for the sake of others. She wanted to grow gracefully, and she continued to say that I can be better. I can do it better. I can do it better means she is better. She is good. Her life will be better even if she continued that habit. If she continued that habit, she will be better. That is the meaning there. And we had to agree. They are not able to oppose her. They have to agree. They feel consent to her words that. For in all the garden there was not a tree she had not been up at one time or the other. These two lines are carefully we should understand these two lines. For in all the garden, in the garden of their home, there was not a tree she had not been up. It means that she climbed all the trees in the garden in front of her home at one time or the other. Means at one time in one day or the other day, In the course of her life, she climbed all the trees which were in the garden. Every tree in the garden was climbed by her. Having learned to climb from a loving brother when she was 6. It means that she learned this habit. She took this gift from her brother. From her brother at the age of 6. From 6 years to 62 years, she had continued, she had maintained this gift of, this talent of climbing the trees. But she was feared by, it was feared by all that one day she would have a terrible fall. The family members and well-wishers, neighbors all felt that one day she would fall down from upside. One day she would end at a tragedy. Her life would become dangerous, injurious if she continued this habit. They thought that one. The outcome was different. It was their expectation. One day, if she did not stop to climb the tree, she did not stop her habit, she continued. The family members thought that one or the other day she would end her life after falling from the tree. She was climbing the trees at the age of 61, 62 now. But it was the age of old age. That's why they thought like that. The outcome was different. The result of the thought was different. While we were in the town, for some other purpose they went to town. She climbed a tree. At what age? 62 years. At the age of the first time age there, no? That one. Yeah. When last she climbed a tree, she was 62, no? That's the meaning there. She climbed a tree and could not come down. She climbed, when they were all in the town, she climbed the tree, but she could not come down. They say, did not come down. The poet did not say, did not come down. Poet is saying, could not come down. She was able to get that, she was able to climb the tree, but she was not able to get down. She was not able to climb down from the tree. That is the meaning there.